The Three Supreme Methods definition and significance. This practice is called the Three Supreme Methods. Previously, I translated it as the three key points in order to get the attention of practitioners. All who study and practice Buddhist teachings must incorporate these 3 points in everything they do. It was translated as the three key points simply due to its utmost importance. The direct translation from Tibetan is the Three Supreme Methods. The Ornament of Clear Realization by Bodhisattva Maitreya names 7 supreme methods. Every one of the 6 paramitas, generosity, morality, patience, diligence, contemplation, and wisdom, that a bodhisattva practices must incorporate the 7 supreme methods. These 7 can be summed up more concisely in 3. The virtuous actions we undertake, like meditating, burning incense, or prostrating, should all be done in accordance with the 3 supreme methods. If so, even a simple act, such as offering a butter lamp or kneeling down to pay homage to the Buddha, can be the cause of enlightenment. Otherwise, no amount of virtuous deeds can lead us to the path of liberation or be the cause of Buddhahood. What are the 3 supreme methods? They are 1. Motivation. 2. Actual practice with a mind free of clinging and concepts. 3. Dedication. Motivation. Normally, purpose should always precede action. Very rarely a good deed or spiritual practice is undertaken without a purpose. If virtuous actions are accompanied with supreme motivations, twice the result can be achieved with half the effort. 2. Practice with a mind free of clinging and concepts. It refers to a certain state achieved in practice. Once succeeded in reaching this state, all the good deeds that one does, be it meditation or animal liberation, will naturally become something supremely excellent. 3. Dedication. Upon completion of a virtuous deed or spiritual practice, a proper dedication of the merit should be done according to the text. Since very good karma has already been committed during meditation or animal liberation, how to apply this good karma thus becomes a pivotal question. Should it be used to attain liberation, health, longevity, or rebirth in the God or human realm? We can choose. In essence, dedication is to make a purposeful choice. It is imperative that we incorporate the 3 supreme methods in every good action we undertake. Otherwise, actions may seem impressive and beneficial on the surface, but in fact are less than admirable. Thus, it is most important to fully understand the essentials of the 3 supreme methods and practice them accordingly.